Yeah, every time we're just getting ready to go work on tornado truck, this happens. Every time. Severe weather right above Fayette County right now. Severe weather right above us. It's already lightning, thundering. Yeah. It's already above us. Every single time we get ready to go work on tornado truck 1, this happens. Just like yesterday happened. So if you're in Fayette County, pay attention to the weather service. You're in a severe storm warning. Well, time to head to the garage. And hopefully this doesn't happen. Hopefully the radar's showing pretty good. This is going to do some pretty bad stuff right now. And you can see the criminals being bad. Yeah, it's going to be a long day. Yep. Severe tornado warning for this area. Look at that. On camera. Yeah. So now, I gotta go chase the tornado.